People of Toy Town are under attack from shadowy forces no one can see and they ain't gonna name. It's time for people like me, what have been on telly twice, to step up. Toy Town can be whatever we want Toy Town to be. It's my vision. Go on. Close your peepers. Do it now. Picture, imagine Toy Town being brilliant. There is at present a teenage haircut epidemic. Teenagers up Toy Town spend an average 67 minutes a day arranging and rearranging their hair. Time what could be better spent serving the community with heavy manual labour or helping old people cross roads. As Mayor of Toy Town, I will empower an army of old people to stand roadside before and after school. Teenagers will help old people cross roads. As they do this, old people will talk to the teenagers about the war. I don't mean World War One, the American Civil War, 1861, 1865, or the Russo-Japanese War, 1904-05. I mean the global conflict, 1939 to 45. Though arguable, it never became global till 1941, when Germany invaded Russia, Japan tried to chin America. I've heard these politicians saying giving every weirdo in the world access to children through the smartphone in their pocket is the problem. They're wrong. All teenagers need is positivity. As Mayor of Toy Town, I will be relentlessly positive. I've never had a thought I didn't want a more cerebral. If such a thought entered me bonce uninvited, let me tell you that thought would be very, very sorry immediate. All teenagers need is discipline, even the ones what already read books and go to school. Until they're old enough to join the army and get proper weapons, all teenagers up Toy Town will attend a weekly online lecture with me about the power of relentless positivity. As Mayor of Toy Town, I will go straight up Toy Town Bank. I'll find the bloke in specs what runs it and I'll tell him straight. Give me the money to make Toy Town brilliant.